Hey guys, welcome to Miss Lauren's virtual classroom. I'm going to walk us through our lesson in case anybody has any questions of how to go through this lesson. So first, this is our virtual classroom. We have my little Bitmoji to the left saying, welcome to our virtual classroom. And on the board, we have today's lesson, which is endangered species exploration. And this week, we are going to learn about endangered species and we are going to write about them. This is a kind of get to know me page. On the wall is a picture of me and my parents. Then I have my computer and coffee and apple. And then I also have a little Razorback because I go to the University of Arkansas. And then I have a little kitty in the corner standing next to me because I have a cat named Luna. And I also have my little Bitmoji saying, click on the books in the bookshelf. So you'll see on the bookshelf, there are 3 books. If you go ahead and click on those books, it'll take you to a link on Amazon for the books that we'll need for this lesson. For this lesson, our learning objective is students will be able to identify the main features of a text. They will also be able to compare and contrast 2 different animals using a Venn diagram. My little Bitmoji says, this is our learning objective for our lesson. Now, this is where this video is going to take place, is on this little TV screen. I am going to link this button with this video. So if you go ahead and click on that red button, it'll take you automatically to this video. Also, my little Bitmoji is pointing to that arrow, just saying, go ahead and click there and watch that video. And again, this is just our little virtual classroom. Super fun. I loved making this. This was really, really fun to make. And our little motivational posters in the back say amazing things happen here. If you look on my Bitmoji slides, you'll see that I have little motivational posters in some of our classrooms. On this next slide is our learning activities for the board. You'll see my little Bitmoji popping out of the computer pointing to the boards. So on the first board, we have a Jeopardy Lab game, and it goes over a couple different areas of different activities that we have throughout our lesson. So it has vocabulary, true or false questions, multiple choice, miscellaneous, and is the animal endangered or is it extinct? This game will be helpful when you watch the video to the right board, to the video on the right of the board, and it's the endangered animals. So if you go ahead and click on that board, it'll take you to an Edpuzzle, and you'll go ahead and watch a video learning about endangered animals, and you'll answer some questions about that as well. So, assessment time. Let's review our lesson material. We are going to see what we know by playing a Kahoot. Click on the Kahoot to play. So this will go over just pretty much everything that we went over in our lesson. It's super fun, and we'll just go ahead and we'll play that, and that will be a good review for terminology and just for fun information for all of us for this lesson, and see what we know and what we need to review. Great work, everyone. We finished our lesson. If you want to learn more, click on the next board for an extension lesson. I found another lesson that would be great to give us more information about endangered species and how we can help them. So Net Zero Speaks with Kim Cobb, Client Scientist. I found this lesson, and if you go ahead and click on that board there, it'll take you automatically to that lesson link video, and it will start you on another lesson and see how we can help these endangered species and what we can do to protect them. Thank you guys so much for listening, and I hope that you guys had so much fun doing this virtual classroom and our virtual lesson because I had so much fun creating it. I'm so excited to see you guys in class. Thank you.